Good morning, everyone. We got some snow last night. We're back to winter wonderland. Not cold at all. Sitting at about +1 degrees Celsius. We did have the sun for a little while, but it went away. Back to gray skies. Got some duck action going on over there. River seems to be moving down a little bit from yesterday. Pond is a little up. Lots of geese over there. And they've got more coming. There's landing in the river. There's a lot of them over there. It's a pretty mild day. Pond is getting fuller though. Getting there. So we normally don't come this way because it's usually underwater. All this. I'm surprised it isn't. The water level is getting up there, as you can see right here. This goes right to the river. And it's all usually underwater here. Oh, excuse me. I don't know where that came from. Letting them smell because we don't usually come back. Oh, hey, you're on the wrong side of the tree, dude. Come on, this way. Come on. So this path, this less taken path, will take us all along the river. That's the river right there. Seems to be running pretty quick today. So it's a winter wonderland here in the Forest City. Temperature is very mild today. We got some skunk tracks or raccoon. But I'm going to say skunk because we've seen about 5 of them in the past 3 or 4 days. So they're waking up. So we haven't been through here all winter. This is our first trip through. So lots of new things for Casey to explore. As long as he doesn't jump in the river. Yeah, it's getting up there. Not as high as it was yesterday. Seems to be flowing pretty good. Well, there's an old tree. Looks like it came down when we had the last ice storm. Somebody came through and cut off some pieces so we could still walk through. Oh yeah. Came right down. We might find more like that as we move along. The river does seem calm today. It's flowing pretty good, but it does seem calm. This is usually all right here. This will be all underwater very soon. You see the river right there, right directly in front of me. It kind of wraps around. So when it goes up, it gets pretty deep right in this area here. almost breaching. Hold on, buddy. Oh, he wants to jump in there. Yeah, it's getting up there. He would if I let him. He'd go right in there. Come on, buddy. It's too cold for you today. You got your nice vest on. I don't want you to wet your vest. I'm surprised we've been able to make it this far through here. Relaxing trip. That's a big tree. Surprised it's still there. Some of it's broken off. Come on, you. Should be going in that water. So yeah, so this part fell over. Yep. That's okay. It'll give the fishes and the turtles something to do. Got new trees in the water. A few of them. Oh, we're all tangled up here. That one broke too. It's getting closer. Deeper and deeper. Oh well. This should be a bit of a challenge getting through here. All these trees came down. So we just kind of got to duck under some, jump over a few. Got to make sure, in case you don't jump in the water. Come here, bud. Most people say, huskies don't like water. Yeah. Haven't met Casey. This boy loves his water. Unless, of course, it's a bath. Don't you even think about it, mister. Mister. We call him Mister now. Because he's in his 5th year. No more junior. Now, when we're standing here, see it this way, the river is running pretty fast. Very quick today. Not too many ducks. Uh-oh. I think this is where our path ends. Well, we used to be able to go through here, but we're going to have to go through a little detour. Well, somebody went through here earlier. Don't you dare jump in that water, mister. Looking at the ducks over there. Is this the way to go? These the ducks. Pull me, buddy. Oh, boy. Getting up there. It's creeping up. Come on, you. It's a nest. Or, not a nest, but when the river was high, it left a bunch of twigs. Whoa, that's new. So yeah, that's new. I wonder where that came from. Must have floated down here somehow. Like I said, it gets pretty deep and the river gets pretty high. That wasn't there last year. Oh. I think we're at our turn off up here. Sorta. Gonna get my bearings straight. Where are we there, boy? Huh. Where are we at? There we go. Oh, we made it. We made it out alive. Woo! Yeah, that tree, that's new. Oh, boy. A couple of the locals flying over. Let's see, it's been eyeballing something over there. Not sure what he's on. Smells or sees something. There's a squirrel there, but he's ignoring the squirrel for whatever is over there. I don't see anything over there. Well, this will be the end of our journey for today. Enjoy your Sunday, everybody. Have a great day.